So team, I hope you're ready for the upcoming session. We're gonna move the whole body again with a little hip focus. So I'm here directly on my elbow underneath the shoulder. And then we're gonna start with awakening those scapular stabilizers. So while sinking into the shoulder, we are collapsing. The shoulder blade is moving up towards the ear. And then as you press out, the shoulder blade is sinking down and towards the spine. So inhale, sink down. And exhale, lift up. So that's a wonderful exercise to ensure that the scapulas, your shoulder blades, can move freely. And we're waking up those muscles between rib cage and shoulder blade. Okay, one more here. And with the exhale, stay lifted. So we have a long side here. The rib arches are closed, powerhouse is working. And then we're moving the upper arm next to your ear, palm facing down, inhale. And then we're turning out, move back, exhale. So inhale, arm next to your ear, palm down. Exhale, turn out, palm up. Yes, got that? Then let's add the leg. Lift the upper leg with your inhale. And exhale, bring both knees above each other. Extend the leg in one line with the upper body. Inhale. And exhale. Move the gaze. Inhale, look down. Exhale, follow your fingers with your eyes. Yeah, so we get a little rotation into your spine. But we're not sinking down. Don't collapse. When you're ready to progress, keep the leg extended and we're gonna kick the leg forward as you exhale. Little progression here, side kick. Inhale, palm down, arm next to ear. Exhale, sweep the arm back, the leg forwards. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Stay long in the lower rib side. Yeah, don't collapse towards the floor. Whew, outer thighs, glute medius already working. And with the next inhale, keep that position. Arm next to your ear, palm facing down, look down to the floor. And the leg is trying to pulling backwards, so we really get the activation in the glute. And then we're gonna pulse the leg up and down. And the challenge here is don't get too close to your floor. Press the floor, the mat away from you with the lower forearm. Last 8. Shoulder down. 7. Breathe. 6. Pull the leg back. Feel your booty. 4. Outer thighs. 3. And 2. And then stop and recover. Return back to front. Press it up. Whew. Come into a comfy seated position with your legs crossed. I told you it's a little bit of hip focus here. To relax, to massage the muscles in and around your hips. I have a nice exercise for you. Grab your knees with your hands and then just move the upper body. So we circle forwards with a long spine and backwards with a rounded spine. So with that kind of upper body movement, we get some little relaxation into your hips. Breastbone is growing forwards. And then exhale, stop the circle and reverse. Just try to keep your knees heavy, the legs calm. Move the upper body and the pelvis. Finish your last circle. And then return, and of course we're gonna do the other side. So just flip over onto the other elbow, knees in front of you, the elbow directly underneath your shoulder. And then we're gonna start with that kind of preparation exercise. Inhale, we're gonna sink down into the shoulder, And exhale, we're gonna press out. So not only the shoulders moving, also the spine. We have a kind of a lateral flexion, so a bend to the side, and then we're lengthening the spine again. It also has an impact onto the rib cage. We open the muscles between the ribs here, and then we pull the ribs together again. That means when we're pressing out like this, the lower side of your waist is lengthening and the powerhouse is getting to work again. Yeah, obliques and deepest abdominal muscles can work. Then we move the upper arm. Inhale next to your ear, palm down. Exhale, turn out, palm up. Inhale, sweep the arm up over the front and back. Okay, when you got that, we're gonna add the upper leg. So inhale, stretch the leg, and exhale, stack the knees above each other. Inhale, stretch, and exhale. Let's add the gaze. Look down, so you twist a little bit. Follow your fingers with your eyes. Inhale, exhale, ready for the kick. Keep the upper leg extended. As you exhale, kick forwards. As you inhale, sweep the leg back. So it's kind of a full body work, full body activation. But we will feel the burn in a second around your hip, glutes. We have hip flexors working outer thighs. Let's go for 4 more. Yeah, no roller coaster here in your leg. Just keep moving the leg parallel to the floor. Don't wiggle with your hips, keep it stable. And then hold it with your inhale. Now reach with your arm forwards and with the leg into the back corner of your room. So it's a diagonal pull. Press the floor away from you with the lower forearm and then pulse the leg up and down. Keep the connection, ribs and pelvis. Oh, beautiful. Let's go. Breathe. Last 2 breaths. Last 1 breath. And then exhale, stop the movement and bring the knees together. Return back to center. Press it up and just flip your lower legs underneath you, so you just can arrive here in a seated position with your booty on the heels. Shake it out. Good job, team.